Let us start our exercise 2.6 from chapter linear equation in one variable.
Let us begin our exercise number 2.6. Solve the following equation. Now dear student, in this very exercise, we will get the value of variable in both numerator and denominator. How to do such? It's very simple. We will apply cross multiplication method. So let us start. Now see, in the very first question, 8x minus 3 divided by 3x equals to 2. Now what I will do, I will try to bring 3x toward my right. So it is known as cross multiplication. Now write down this value 8x minus 3 as it is. Try to bring 3x beside 2. So whatever the value in division, it will go in multiplication form. So write down in bracket cross multiplication. After doing such, write down this value as it is. Now multiply if it is possible. 2 3s are 6. Then try to bring all the variable toward one side. So here 8x. So try to bring 6 toward your left. So while transposing, positive will become negative. And bring this negative 3 toward your right. So negative 3 will become positive 3. So in bracket what you will write? Transposing 6x to LHS and negative 3 to RHS. By doing such, now 8x minus 6x gives 2x, here 3. Now as we need to eliminate the value of 2, that is whatever the value in x, so it is in multiple form, the same value I will take in. I will divide this 2x by 2 so that 2 will get eliminated. So whatever value I am taking over here, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. So you have to write dividing both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. That means the value of x is 3 by 2. Now dear student, either you keep your value 3 by 2 or you can convert it into a mixed fraction. Now let us do the second one. 9x divides 7 minus 6x equals to 15. So here also same thing. You have to cross multiply this value. This as it is, 15 also as it is, and it will go beside 15. 7 minus 6x. Here in bracket you have to write cross multiplication. Then as it is, multiply if it is possible. 15 7s are. So 7 5s are 35, 3 carry 105, and 15 6s are 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, that is 90x. Now transpose the value, that is 9 as it is. Try to bring variable toward one side, that is negative 90x. While transposing toward your left hand side will become positive 90x equals to 105. Write down transposing 90x to LHS. By doing such, now you have to add, that is it will become 99x and 105. Now we need to eliminate this 99. So I will divide 99x by 99. Whatever value I am taking toward my right, same value you have to take toward your left. Dividing both sides by 99. By doing such, 99 will get cancelled. That means the value of x. See if it is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 3. See, 105 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 3 35s are and 3 33s are. So 35 by 33. So number 3, z divides z plus 15 and 4 by 9. Now same cross multiplication method we will apply. So 9 will come over here and z plus 15 will go over there. So therefore z multiply by 9 and 4 multiply by, so multiply I will write in bracket, I will put in bracket z plus 15 because two terms are there. Okay, then write down cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Then multiply it. Z into 9 gives 9z. Resolve the bracket. 4 into z, 4z. 15 fours are 60. Then transpose this 4z toward your left hand side. Write down over here transposing 4z to LHS. After doing such, 9 minus 4 give 5z. Then as I need to eliminate this 5 because it is with variable, as I want to find the value of this variable, so 5z should be divided by 5. Whatever value I am taking toward my left, same value you have to take toward your right. So you have to write dividing both the sides by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Now 60 divide 5, so that is 12. 12 5s are 60. Now let us do next sum. Here also you have to apply cross multiply as the variable in numerator and denominator both. So 5 will come over here in multiple and 2 minus 6y will go there. So write on this value 3y plus 4 and bring this 5 over here in cross multiplication. Negative is there, bring this value 2 minus 6y. After doing such, resolve the bracket. Write down over here cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 2 2s are 4, negative into positive is positive, 2 6s are 12, negative into negative is positive. Then you have to apply transposition method as you have to bring all the variable toward any one side. Here 15y is there. What I will do, I will bring this 12y toward my left, so positive will become negative. And you already negative 4 is there. Try to transpose this positive 20 toward your right, so positive will become negative. So write down over here transposing negative 4 to LHS and 20 to RHS. After doing such, now do subtraction. 15 minus 12 is 3y. Minus minus plus, sign of minus only. 4 plus 20, 24. Now here 3 is with variable y, so I need to eliminate this 3. So what I will do, I will divide this 3y by 3. So same value I am going to take toward my right hand side. So that here you have to write dividing both these sides by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now what is left? Y. Now see that if it is divisible, yes. 3 8s are. So negative 24 is there, the value will come in negative, that is negative 8. Question number 5. 7y plus 4 divided by 5 plus 2 equals to minus 4 by 3. Same cross multiplication, 3 will come over here and 2y plus 2 will come over here. So do cross multiplication, therefore 7y plus 4 equals to minus 4y plus 2. Write down cross multiplication. Then resolve the bracket, multiply it. 3 7s are 21y, 4 3s are 12, 4 into y minus 4y, minus into plus, 4 2s are 8, minus only minus 8. Then try to bring all the variable toward one side. So to 21y, so try to bring this minus 4y toward your left. So negative 4y will become positive 4y. and keep negative 8 as it is. Now all the constant value toward your right hand side. So positive 12 while transposing toward your right will become negative. So write down over here transposing negative 4y to LHS and 12 to RHS. After doing such, now do addition. 21 plus 4 is 25. Y minus minus plus 8 plus 12 20 sign of minus. Now I need to eliminate this 25 because I need to find the value of this variable. So 25y will be divided by 25. Whatever value I am taking toward my left hand side, same value you have to take toward your right hand side. You have to write dividing both the sides by 25. 25 will get cancelled. See if it is possible to do cancellation. 5 5s are 5 4s are. So it is in negative, so your value will become in negative. So minus 4 by 5. Then let us do what problem? The age of Hari and Harry are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present age. So let us suppose we don't know their present age. So let us suppose let the present age of Hari be, it is in the ratio of 5:7, so that is 5x, and present age of Harry be 7x. Now 4 years from now, their present age, their ages will be 3:4. So we have to find their age after 4 years. So after 4 years, Hari will be 5x plus 4 and Harry will be 7x plus 4. Now after 4 years, 4 years from now, the ratio of their age, so whatever their age after 4 years, the ratio of their age will be 3:4. So we have to find the ratio of both. So as per the condition, after 4 years, the Hari is 5x plus 4 and Harry is 7x plus 4, because they told that 4 years from now the ratio of their ages, so we have to write in ratio form, will be 3:4. Now from here it's very simple, cross multiplication method only. First you convert this thing in upon form, that is ratio, so it will come over here equals to 3/4. Now from here we have to apply that same cross multiplication method. So 4 will come over here beside 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4 will come beside 3. So here you can write cross multiplication. Then after doing such, multiply it. 4 5s are 20x, 4 4s are 16, 7 3s are 21 and 3 4s are 12. Now just let us do it over here. Now 20x, try to transpose this value 21 toward your left, 21x, and try to transpose this 16 toward your right, that is positive will become negative. Now write down over here transposing 21x to LHS and 16 to RHS. By doing such, 20 minus 21 gives negative 1x, 1 has no value, so write down only x. And here also 12 minus 16, that is negative 4. Here we found both value are negative. So directly value of x will become positive, but we have to show in method. Value of variable cannot be negative. What I will do to this negative x, I will multiply -1 so that it will become positive. So whatever value I am multiplying over here, same value you have to multiply toward your right. So by doing such, the negative x, negative to negative will become positive. Here also negative to negative will become positive. That means value of x is 4. Here you can write multiplying -1 to both sides, both the sides. So that means find their present age. So present age of Hari, who is 5 times of x, that is 5 4s are 20 years old, and present age of Harry, that is 7 times of x, 7 times of 4, that is 28 years old. Question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Now dear student, here break the sentence till here. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. So we don't know the value of numerator. So let us suppose it as a x. Then only we can take that denominator of the rational number which is greater than numerator by 8. So let the numerator be x. If numerator is x, then only we can take, therefore, the denominator which is greater than numerator by 8. So therefore the value of denominator be x plus 8. Here it is given. Now if the numerator is increased by 17, so write down over here numerator is increased by 17, that is numerator is x over here, it is increased by 17, so adding 17 to it, that is x plus 17. Then and the denominator is decreased by 1, write down over here that is, now currently the denominator is x plus 8, so while we have to subtract 1 from it, it is decreased by 1, so value you will get x plus 8 minus 1 gives x plus 7. Now the number obtained is 3 by 2. Whatever the value obtained as per the condition, whatever the value we are getting, that is if the numerator adding 70 to it, numerator, and the denominator subtracting 1 to it, we got x plus 7, and whatever the new number obtained is 3 by 2. Now dear student, from here you know the method, so let us do it over here. We got our equation, so we will apply cross multiplication method. 2 will come over here toward left and x plus 7 will go toward your right. So 2 x plus 17, 3 as it is, x plus 7, write down cross multiplication. Now therefore multiply, resolve the bracket, 2 into x 2x, 2 17s are 34, 3 into x 3x, 3 7s are 21. Then transposing, as I told you, all the value of variables should be toward your one side, that is, now what I will do, I will bring 3x toward my left, so positive 3x will become negative 21 as it is, and take 34 toward your right hand side, all the constant value toward your right and the variable toward your left. Here you have to write transposing 3x to LHS and 34 to RHS. Now 2 minus 3, 3 is greater, so your value will come in negative only because it is in negative. 1x we can't write, 1 has no value, so negative x. Here also 34 is greater than 21, so how much you will get? 34 minus 21, that is 30, negative 30. Now dear student, as value variable cannot be negative, so what I will do, I will try to multiply it with negative 1. So negative x multiplied by negative 1, whatever value I am taking toward my left, same value you have to take toward your right. Multiply negative 1 to both sides. By doing such, negative into negative will become positive, negative will become positive. So we got the value of x. Now find the rational number, that means your rational number, that is numerator, which is equals to x, we got 13, and denominator, which is x plus 8, that is 13 plus 8, how much we will get?